Watch this.
Arlo, it's getting worse. Hey, no, stay with me. They said Vitacore is the only way. Then I'll get it. No matter what.
I created this talking fruit video in minutes using FlashLoop AI. FlashLoop AI is an all-in-one AI video suite where you can create images and video with consistent characters, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the complete workflow step by step so you can create viral videos like this yourself. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Every successful talking fruit video starts with a strong story idea. So I'll enter this prompt to generate multiple story concepts based on emotional and dramatic themes like family relationships, sacrifice, and friendship with unexpected plot twists. Pick your favorite, because in the next step, we'll turn it into a complete production-ready story. I'll head back to ChatGPT and paste my second prompt with my story idea about an apple named Arlo who's trying to save his younger brother, Benny, from a deadly disease. This prompt generates everything you need in a single response, including character descriptions, the story outline, a scene-by-scene breakdown, dialogue, image prompts, and animation prompts. Once we've the complete story structure, we can head over to FlashLoop AI to start creating our characters. Open image generation and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 since we're creating a vertical video. I'll start with Arlo. Back in ChatGPT, I'll copy Arlo's character profile along with his character image prompt, then paste everything into FlashLoop AI. I'll generate 2 variations, since that's usually enough to get a good result while saving credits. Once they're ready, I'll download the version I like best. Next, I'll repeat the same process for Benny and Vega, copying each character's profile and image prompt from ChatGPT, generating 2 variations, and downloading the version I like best. By the end of this step, you'll have all of your main fruit characters ready to use throughout the animation. With the characters ready, it's time to generate each scene. I'll paste scene prompts from ChatGPT into FlashLoop AI. Since this scene includes Arlo and Benny, I'll upload both of their character images before generating. This helps FlashLoop keep the characters consistent throughout the story. Once the image is generated, I'll download the version I like best. Then I'll repeat the same process for every remaining scene. For example, when Vega appears later in the story, I'll simply attach Arlo's and Vega's character images before generating that scene. Just make sure you're always uploading the correct character references for each scene. Once you're done, you'll have every scene of your story illustrated. Now it's time to bring your story to life. Switch from image generation to video generation inside FlashLoop AI and paste the dialogues and character profiles for Arlo and Benny, since they're the characters in this scene. Next, I'll upload the Scene 1 image as the starting frame. This gives FlashLoop all the context it needs to keep the characters consistent while generating the animation. Generate the video, review the result, and if you're happy with it, download the clip. Then repeat the same process for each remaining scene. Just use that scene's dialogue, the character profiles for the characters appearing in it, and the matching scene image. By the end of this step, you'll have your entire story fully animated. Once all your animated scenes are ready, you can use CapCut to arrange all clips for a complete video. Finally, let's talk about pricing. FlashLoop AI offers a limited free plan. The starter plan starts at $19 per month and includes 90,000 credits, which is enough to generate around 90 VO3 videos. Overall, FlashLoop AI makes the entire process of creating talking fruit videos much easier, from creating characters to building scenes and finishing the final video. So, try out FlashLoop AI using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.